Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're down here at the Blackberry patch and we're going to expand it. I got 5 more plants, so we're going to do about a half of a thing. And these are prime Arkansas Freedom. They're thornless, and I think you get 2 pickings out of this a year. So it's already started, got a little bloom on it. So these are really nice looking plants. I think I might have let one die though, but I'm gonna go ahead and plant it, maybe it'll come back. I'm gonna we'll go ahead and lay them out, and I'm gonna do stuff a little different than I did the other one. If you remember that one, this is gonna be a little more simplified. Maybe you could do it at the house, and we're dodging rain showers too. So I'm gonna lay out the plants, and I'll tell you what, my spacing, and then we'll drop some posts and plant them and all that stuff. So let's get started. Okay, so I got them spaced out, and I went a little farther on these than I did my other ones because these are a little bigger plants. So I went 6 foot instead of 5, and you can look at them here. I think on the name tag it said to put them 6 foot, whereas these on the name tag said 5 foot. So I'm just going to follow the directions here. Okay, and I'm just going to use regular T-posts for my posts instead of those regular pieces of pipe, because that way you can see, because that'd be hard for y'all to buy. These are easier for them to buy. But I'm going to drive them down. I got my driver, but this plastic I've got down, or not plastic, but this woven fabric, it's I'm reusing it from old strawberries, so that's why you see the holes there. This stuff lasts forever, so I don't want to throw it away, and it's kind of expensive, so I'm just going to reuse it. And hopefully I'll put enough mulch over the holes where the grass won't come up, but if it does, I know it has a little bit on that other side, I reuse that too, and we'll just have to come down here and do a little weeding. So let me get these drove in. Let's go get the other one, and then we'll plant our plants. Dug, and my wife just took some scissors and cut them out, the holes out, instead of using a torch because it's kind of damp out here today. So I got the one dug, and working on this, and it's I figured it'd be a lot damper than it was, but it's kind of hard. So you can also do this with a shovel if you don't have these. I just thought this would be a little easier if I can learn how to get in there right. All right. Got some nice roots on it. Got root bale on it. So that's perfect size there. That's another reason I use the post hole digger. Puts it at a pretty, almost perfect size. So I'm gonna get my shovel, and I'll throw a little dirt on that one, and I'll dig the rest of them out, and I'll show you when I get through. right, we got the mulch down. That probably took about 45 minutes or so. And it's just tree mulch stuff that I get from my tree company. So it's all free. So we got it all mulched in there, and we had a little bit left over down there on the end, and we'll put something down there. I don't know exactly yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the trellis up, and I'm just gonna use the same stuff I used over on this one. I'm gonna do a little different. I'm gonna try just to do one. I'm gonna try to go down there and back and tie it right here. So let's see how it works. I'm just gonna put 2 strings in. I think it's actually pretty tight, so. All right, I just tied a half hitch there. I'm gonna get my cutters there and cut this. Actually turned out tighter than I thought it would be. You know, it's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna get some of those tomato clips, and I'm gonna clip these up because these things are long and they're already starting to bloom like you said. So let me go get a few of those, and I'll be right back and I'll show you how we do that. Okay, this is the clips I'm talking about. We use them on our tomatoes, and you just go around the string, clip it on there. Got one here. I'm gonna train this one to go this way a little bit, and I'm gonna train this one. I want it to come up, and then we'll go over. So I'm gonna let it grow a little bit more. This one I just clipped at the top. Hopefully it'll spread like this. So we'll see. This is all kind of new to us, so. Really didn't take all that long. Probably what, an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to do it all. Like I said, that one's blooming. I should have already had them in the ground, but anyway. Hope this was a help to you. Maybe if you're gonna start thinking about doing some thornless blackberries, this is a pretty easy way to do it. My tomatoes, they survived the other night. Well, yesterday morning it was 31, and I just checked on them. They're fine and dandy. So they did all right. Everything seems to be doing good. Big storm tonight. I wanted to be painting today, but you can see that it's way too windy, so I'm not going to show any more greenhouses stuff till we get it done, so I don't think. So I got to paint and then put the panels on, and we'll be hopefully seeding up there. I do have to start some seeds pretty quick, so I might start with some down here. Hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button. Look at my bees over here. They are going to town today. I had 3 hives going into the winter. I've got 2 right now. So hopefully, if we don't get any real cold snaps, we should be pretty good for honey. Our apple trees are starting to bud. I was going to show you those, but I'll show you those in the next video. They're just starting, so I love when they get all bloomed out and everything. So we'll look at those. So anyway, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all watching. Got some new subscribers. We're a small farm, Southeast Tennessee. Post 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We do gardening, got our goat dairy. As a matter of fact, we're gonna try to make some cheese. Of course, big gardenings. We got a kitchen garden. We got pasture-raised poultry and eggs. So we're pretty well diversified. We've got bees and honey, so, and we got blackberries now, so, and we got big blueberries. We got a big bloom of blueberries coming. I'll show you those in another video. Anyway, here we go. She says I'm rambling. Hit that subscribe, give me the thumbs up. Appreciate y'all watching. Support your local farmer. I'll see you down here in the farm next video.